Tom Shimmerling, Upstate Biker Lawyer, and we're working with Biker Down.
Yes, we are.
Lori
We're so
Montoya.
honored to be. I think today we're here for the Veterans Outreach in
Harrisburg.
Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
He's from Colorado.
I'm from Denver. So, yeah, this is a great program. This program provides tiny homes for veterans that are homeless, but does more than put a Band-Aid on it. It gives them a program to get them back into society and self-sufficient. So we couldn't be more grateful that you brought us out here for this event. And tomorrow we're going to be hosting that accident scene management class. And if you haven't taken the accident scene management class, please go to Upstate Biker Lawyer, call Tom or Christine, sign up. There's nothing more you can do for the riders that you ride with than have that kind of training that in the event of an accident, you are prepared to render the proper first aid. How many people do you think you guys have trained this year?
Several hundred.
Several hundred. Yeah. Imagine that. When you go down, nobody knows what to do. Because of you, several hundred now know how to render the proper first aid. And I couldn't be more grateful for you doing that.
Thank you very much.
So remember, if you go down, Biker Down steps up. And if you need really good representation, please go to Upstate Biker Lawyer here.
I'd like you to tell us about Biker Down.
Biker Down helps injured motorcycle riders with recovery after an accident. As many of you know, there is accident scene management, which you guys sponsor, and then there is a big gap in the middle where your lawyer is trying to get you recovery and then settlement. And what Biker Down does is we kind of fill in the gap in the middle. We try to give you financial strategy in a lot of ways to keep your nose above water and stay afloat. We do that through medical equipment. We do it through financial strategy, but I believe in getting you the best of the best lawyers. And here in New York and Pennsylvania, it is Tom with Upstate Biker Lawyers.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You're welcome.